bet your mum's not even bothered about this, Mel.
Yeah, because my mom busy to make money.
Yeah. What would your mum...
We need, because my mom, the attitude of my mom, not bothered about it because it's nothing to do. It already happened.
There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah.
That's why you really need to move on
Right.
about that.
Morning. No lumpia? No.
No lumpia.
How's your house? Is it okay?
No, my ano.
The roof?
Okay, please.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow. This is Megan's house. Hi. And it's not good. I bet they didn't have a very good night. Did you stay in this house last night?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Were you scared?
Super.
Were you not scared?
I'm scared. He said super. It's very.
Super.
Super. Very, very.
Oh, sorry. Super scared. Sorry. Oh my God.
They want relief for you. Where's my relief? I need the relief.
Don't say that, babe, because they'll probably all... Is the house okay? It's okay? Good. Devastation here.
Hindi ko makakontak na internet. Ay, kami internet. Iyo.
Hear that? Her uncle's just wished her a Merry Christmas. I tell you, these people are fantastic. You know, me being Mr. Worrier, this would have stressed me out. I mean, big time. I'm not so bad these days. I'm in the Philippines. I mean, when I was in the West, it was quite bad because, you know, you have problems in the West, you got to sort it out. Here, you've got a little bit more of a chance. Oh my God!
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, let's go.
My God. Well, I've got to say, I'm pretty surprised these are still standing. Well, there's one missing here. A house is missing here, isn't there? That was a house, wasn't it, Mel? It's gone. Hey.
Hi.
Morning.
Where are you going?
See the kids. Nothing stops them from smiling. You see, you know what I think of is...
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. If there was a world financial crash tomorrow, where would you want to live? Would you want to live somewhere like this in a third world country, or would you want to be somewhere like the UK that relies on food from outside the UK, etc.? These people will survive regardless what. They'll always find some way. I just can't believe these houses are still standing. Morning.
Good morning. Hey,
Morning. Morning. Hello. Yeah, still standing. It's still okay. My God, I can't believe it. It's still okay. There's no difference then, is there? My God. That's it then. Back to the shop. Bit of debris. That's about it. So they pick themselves up and start again. Has this happened many times, Mel, since you've been here?
It's too long now. It's too long.
It's been a long time. Yeah. Oh dear. You want, babe? Yeah, this one isn't though. This roof's come off. This building's collapsed here. That used to be a house. Well, a little hut. And even so, if the roofs were leaking before, they're definitely leaking this time. I've not been down this bit before. See, the houses with decent roofs have more or less survived with not a lot of damage. But the ones that are just held together by string, I mean not literally, but you know what I mean.
This is the house of Agnes, I think.
Agnes?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's good.
That's Agnes's house? Wow. They're not really houses though, babe, are they? Do these people actually own the land?
No.
They don't, they're squatting. I thought so. I mean, you saw what happened in Manila, the slum areas where the government moved in and moved the people and just pulled all the buildings down. I could see something like that happening here. And they didn't give them anywhere to move to. They just told them to get out and rip the homes down. So, sometimes this is the kind of thing you'll have to put up with if you come to the Philippines. But the chances are, if you're in a decent property, you're fine. If you're not, then you may find the house coming down around your ears. Now, to me, this place needs pulling down now. It's unsafe. But I bet you any money it doesn't. Mind you, that said, the landlord, they pay rent, and he owns all this road basically on this side, including Mel's mum's shop. And they're on about
It's good that the antenna is still fine.
yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing how some things have stood up and others haven't. So that's it, guys. That's the devastation. But I think a lot of them's got away with it, to be honest. They've not done too bad. However, I'm not sure they'd think the same. Oh my god! Your feet are so dirty. So we've come into Centro to try and get Mel's mum a emergency light for later on, because the chances are the power's not going to come on for a couple of days or so. I'm guessing. Yeah? Do you think? So we've come in and it's devastation here. There's a lot of businesses closed. All the traders, street traders, the stalls have been wrecked, so they're out of business until they can manufacture a new stall. But as you can see, there's lots of businesses closed. The streets are a mess. Yeah. Oh, they'll have it cleaned up with a day or so, and this will be all cleaned up. Naga's brilliant for that. The mayor's got it down to a T. You can guarantee you'll come to Naga under normal circumstances and the streets are really clean. So there's a new store open, so I'm guessing they'll probably have a generator. So we're going to have a look there and see if there's any good emergency lighting. But I would guess that a lot of them will go off the shelf pretty quick, because this is going to go on, like I say, for a few days. I'm sure it is. So see you in a mo. So we're going to 101. Hopefully it's got a generator. I mean, oh my god, look how high the water is, babe. Now you can just imagine how much water we had. This was really low, really low a couple of days ago. Now look at it. Now you know why they did these new flood defences, and they're working brilliant. Morning. Look at that over there. It's working fantastic. So what's your impression of the Filipino people then, babe?
My expression of the...
Not expression. No, go on. Sorry, babe. Sorry. Impression.
My expression...
Impression.
Whatever. is not give up. The Filipino not give up. Even
Their personality is never to give up.
Even there's something wrong, don't give up, because it's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
It would be to me. I think I'd give up. Just cut my wrists. I don't think this place is open, babe. Look. It doesn't look like it's open. What time is it? It's got to be about 9:30. Is it 9:30, 10 o'clock?
You notice that Filipino, even there's something wrong, still smile, right? Still smile.
Did I notice what?
About the Filipino, even there's something wrong, still smiling, right?
Yeah, even the kids.
Yeah.
Even the kids, it's fantastic. It's shut, babe. It's not open. So, because of the power cut, Melody's mum's making a bit of extra money, and she's charging 25 pesos per charge for a phone or a emergency light, and she's had loads and loads, and there's just not enough sockets. So she's made a lot of money tonight. Well, today. It's been good, hasn't it, Mel? Very profitable. So tomorrow there's going to be a smile on Melody's mum's face. How much do you think your mum's made, Melody? How many? 50 pesos lang? How much altogether? What? 2,000 plus. which means about, it could mean 2,200, could mean 2,300, whatever. But there's loads of phones and emergency lighting, and people just keep on coming. We'll be on till about 2 in the morning. So that's about it for the tornado, typhoon, and the consequences, and actually the benefits, because Melody's mum's made money out of it, so it wasn't all bad. So see you soon. Bye for now.